Hello and welcome to the tutorials channel here at Besiege Bots. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make what we call an overboard motor. You're going to want to start off with a large powered wheel on your starting block. Move the large powered wheel away from the starting block by 2 blocks. Place a small powered wheel on the starting block and flip it around its vertical axis like so. Raise the small powered wheel by 2.2 of a block. Now place a small powered wheel on top of your large powered wheel, flip it around its vertical axis, and sink it into the large powered wheel by 0.2 of a block. Place a 1 lock long brace on top of the large powered wheel and sink that into the motor by 0.4 of a block. If it would just... there. Now, of course, we need a medium to transfer the power through, so we're going to use a wooden pole. Center the wooden pole with the starting block and move this up by 2.2 blocks. Now this is running pretty slow because all of the motor wheels are on 1 speed. If we turn this up, as you should, unless you're having reliability issues, it runs at 3 stack speed. We can just make sure of that. See, 530-ish RPM with a single brace, but this is of course just with a wooden pole. Now to connect it to your robot of choice, you're going to want to use a starting block, place it on your... Did I just say starting block? I meant spin block. Place a spin block on your starting block and move this up by 2 blocks. I'm sorry, not 2 blocks. Let's just undo that. Move it up by 2.2 blocks works. You can also move it in by another, I'd say, 0.2 blocks. Yes, this also works. If you move it in too far, it does this weird thing. Yeah, that's not good. So, moving it up by 2.4 blocks should be optimal. So just to demonstrate, this is where your frame goes, or where it should go. The only reason why you'd ever want to attach your frame to where this brace is going is if you're going direct drive, which is not the optimal use case of this motor. Make sure to turn your spin block off by setting its settings to 0. And now you have an overboard motor. Single brace. I mean, you can add more braces if you want more power. If you're confused onto how to add a weapon onto it, you should use wooden panels. Since wooden panels parent to the wooden pole, if you know what that is. If you don't know what that is, a quick explanation is that they sort of become one with the wooden wooden pole. So just trust me, they're the optimal block to use for this. So now you have these wooden panels on your wooden pole, and then you just put grabbers on your wooden panels to make your spinning weapon. Now, just to make clear, this large wheel is not what you attach your frame to, or anything to, really. Braces go onto this small powered wheel that is on the inside. If you're going direct drive, you're going to need to attach to there to get 3-stack speed, since this large wheel is technically the second motor stack, or the second wheel in the motor stack, I should say. But yeah, I think that that covers everything on how to build an overboard motor and how to attach a weapon to it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I just made this tutorial pretty quickly because I wanted to get it out of the way. So sorry if the mic quality is a little bad, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.